are you guys? Back again to you. We're back to Calculus 2 classes. If you have any question, you can text me at 973-521-0463, send a picture, or send an email for this email. Okay, and our class today, techniques of integration by substitution, class 5. Subscribe and like if you like. Subscribe and like if you like. Good? Let us back to practice. As we believe, practice means more understanding. Look here, the problem, we have two functions. The first function is 1 over x. The second function is the first function ln x. The second function 1 over x. Good. U equal ln x du equal 1 over x, right? dx. Again, u equal ln x du equal derivative of ln x. If you, just in case there is some new student watching us and they don't know how to find the derivative of the ln, u equal ln 3x squared plus 2. Look how we derive it. U prime or du over dx. In case if you still 3x, you keep anything after the ln in the denominator, then you derive it in the numerator, which is 6x. Now here, integration 1 over x, and this ln x is u, and dx, what dx guy equal here? dx equal cross multiply x du. x du. What you notice here? That x cancel with x. The integration of 1u du, which is ln u plus c. And u equal what? Ln x. Then ln u is ln x plus c. Okay. Number 8. Good? Number 8. Equal x cubed plus 2. Then look here. Two things, something you need to know. You know me, always I like to add something new to my classes, but you have something you know. Something you need to know about when the base is not e. When the base is not e, u equal 2 to the 5x squared plus 2 du as example. This example, I'm going to erase it. Then du equal, I'm sorry, x4. U 2 x4 minus 1. My base is 2. How do we derive it? du. Derive first the exponent, which is 4x cubed. Leave this guy alone. 2x4 minus 1. Last step, multiply by ln the base. Ln 2, whatever base you have. Good? dx. Let me just make it into closer to have a space for dx. Ln 2 dx. dx. Okay. then dx equal all this, you see the du over all for x cubed to x4 minus 1 ln 2. Okay. Okay. Then here x cubed 2 to the u. Good. And dx is what? Du for x cubed no, we said, this is the derivative. Leave it back to the problem again, because we messed up. We should get you, no problem. And I want to explain how to find the derivative. Anyway, you got the idea how to find the derivative. But actually, we're going to choose u, right? We're going to choose u. I explained how you find the derivative, but u is only okay, let me back the problem. U only x4 minus 1 du equal 4x cubed only the dx. Then dx equal du over 4x cubed. Okay. Okay. Now, back x cubed 2 to the u and dx du over 4x cubed. This cancel with this. Now we have 1/4, we can take it out. Integration of 2u du. Now the base, now my base is 2, not 8. It's the same, look at 1/4, the integration of b to the u, integration of b to the u, du, integration of b to the u, du equal b to the u over ln b. Ln b. Then 2 to the u over ln what? 2 plus c. Last step, which is 1/4 ln 2 to the x to the 4 minus 1 over ln 2 plus c. Okay, this is number 8. Number 9, 10. Then I'm gonna book it. Okay. Number 10. What's u? What's u, my guys? What's u? It's x plus 1. Okay, du is what du? dx, because derivative of x is 1 dx. Now, forget the limit. If you want, I can change the limit. I can change the limit here. When x equal, I can change the limit from the beginning. When x equal 0, u equal how much? 0 plus 1, u equal 1. And when x equal 15, u equal 16. I'm going to explain for you what I did here. Since we have u, it's x plus 1. And the limit, sometimes, you see me, sometimes I change the limit, sometimes I'll leave it. It's up to you. It's the same. If you find it easy to do it, do it. Okay, x equals 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. U, right? Then when x equals 0, u 1. When x equals 15, u 16. Okay. Integration from 1 to 16, x square root of u and dx equal du. Here a special case. Look here. I end up with x, u, and I change my limit. I have no way to eliminate the x. Okay, I cannot do that my integration when I have a x a variable and u another variable. X is a variable still because u depend on x. You see that from here, u depend on x. But I can solve x in terms of u or u in terms of x. Go here, x equal what? U minus 1, right? What I did, I moved the 1 to the other side. Then I can do my integration. U minus 1 over, I'm going to change the square root to be to u to the half du from 1 to 16, which is 1 to 16 u. I'm going to do 2 steps. Minus 1 u to the half du. Okay. Rules of exponent. Rules of what? Exponent. Rules of exponent. U integration from 1 to 16. 1 minus 1 half. Negative 1 half. Or plus 1 half, yes. 1 minus half. Minus u to the negative 1 half. Then 1 minus 1 half is 1 half. And when you move the 1 half from the bottom to the top, you change the sign, du. Now easy to integrate. I showed you my method. I told you when we have a fraction 1 over 2, you make it plus, right? 1 plus 2 over 2, right? Which is 3 over 2, right? I can do it 3 over 2 here. I'm going to explain it one more time now while I'm doing it. 1 plus 2, 3 over 2, and you flip it here. You see how it's easy? What I did for this integration, because we have fraction, 1 plus 2 is 3 over 2, and 2 over 3. You're going to see it the same for the second one, minus, leave a space for this guy, and you. Let us do it in different color. Okay. We have 2, but we have negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is what? Negative 1 plus 2, guys, is 1. And 2 over 1. Okay, my limit is from where to where? 1 to 16. If you want, guys, 2/3, 16, 3, 2, minus, I don't need the okay. I can make it smaller handwriting, a little smaller, to have a space. Let me see if I have a space. Oh, I have a space, okay. 2/3, u is 16, 3 second, minus 2, 16, 1 half, minus 2/3, 1, 3, 2, 2 over 1, 1, 1 half. Okay. 3, 2/3. This means the square root of 16, which is the square root of 16. You see here? Okay. Here. This means, all this means square root. All this means the square root of 16, and this 3, and this 16, 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 16, 4. Just update me with the time. Can you please? Minus 2 times 4. Minus, after I finish this problem, let me just finish this one. And 1, it doesn't matter what you have here. When you have 1, it doesn't matter what you have, is 1. Minus 2 times 1. Now simplifying arithmetic. 16, 64, 128 over 3, minus 8, minus 2/3, You see the minus here? Plus 2. Now, 128 minus 2, 126. You see this guy and this guy? This guy and this guy. 126 over 3 minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Minus 80 plus 2 minus 6. This 18. Okay, this is 1. This time 3 times 3, 18. 108 over 3. Okay, how many minutes?
You have 6 minutes.
Okay, good. Okay, here. What's my u? My u is what? U equal x squared plus 2x plus 3 du equal 2x plus 2 dx. Right? No, this is not the same. The one 2x plus 2 is not the same as what? 2x plus 2 is not the same as x plus 1. Then what I can do here, I can do it du 2 x plus 1 dx. Good. Then, if you want to change the unit, you want to change it, let us change it. Change it when x equal what here? When x equals 0, u equal, when x equals 0, 0 is 3. When x equal 1, u equal 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6. 3 and 6. Good. Then from 3 to the 6, x plus 1, u, and dx here, du over 2, x plus 1. du 2x plus 1. Okay. Then we have 1/2 out 1 over 2. Integration of 1u 0 3 to the 6 du. And we know integration of 1 over u ln u. 1/2 ln u from 3 to 6. Which is 1/2 over parentheses ln 6 minus ln 3. Let me just explain something here, because some of the teacher will ask you to go ahead to simplify ln a minus ln b equal ln a over b. Okay, and this will be the final answer, 1/2 ln 6 over 3, because we have a negative sign, which is 1/2 ln 2. Good job. Okay. Now I want to give you brown from me here. Look here, integration from 1 to 3 f 3 of x find f dx. F, we have f of 3 equal 5, f prime of 3 negative 2, f of 9, all this f. He want me to, I want to explain it when I f f9 equal 8, f of 9, prime of 9, negative 3. Okay. Now he wants me to evaluate this integration. He wants me to evaluate this integration from 1 to 3, right? F of 3 of x times f prime of 3 of x dx. Okay. That's simple. This substitution, u equal f of 3 of x. Now du equal. Look here, if you remember from rules of integration, chain rule and other rules, du equal f prime of 3x times the derivative of inside, which is what the derivative inside? 3. Good. dx. Now dx equal du over 3 f prime of 3x. Okay. Back to my integration. Become, leave the limit, don't take the limit, f of 3x, which is u, right? u u time f prime of 3x, and the dx equal what? dx equal du 3 f prime of x. The 1/3 goes out. Integration of u du equal 1/3 u squared, right? Now plus, we don't have to plus c, we're gonna bring it equal 1/3 f of 3x squared. From where to where my limit? 1 to where? To 3. 1 to 3, which is f of 3, the first one, almost done. I know that we exceed the limit, but let me just finish this problem. Can I? Yes. I'm gonna finish it, almost done with this problem. Now plug the 3, 1/3 f, 3 times 3 is 9. We plug the 3 here, square, minus 1/3, plug the 1, which is 3. Right? Square. Okay, now let us see which one given. f of 3, okay, f of 3 is equal 5, f of 9 equal 8, f of 9 8, 1/3, 8 squared, 1/3, 5 is squared, 1/3, 64, 1/3, 25, 64 minus 25 over 3, which is 64 minus 25 is 49 over 3. Guys, like and we're doing a good job for you here for calculus 2. You can, as always, contact me at any time you want. Be safe and have a good day.